Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all, we're gonna do something really quick today. I was looking in my canning station over there, and look at that, y'all. I got about 10 of these over there. Y'all know what that is? I made these last year. Old school. I think is it peach or pear? I don't know. We're gonna open them up. If it's pear, we're gonna do pear. If it's peach, we're gonna do peach. We're gonna open them up right now on camera. And y'all know I was so lazy and didn't label these particular ones. Y'all, let me get a case knife here. Y'all don't know what a case knife is. That went over some of y'all heads. Alrighty. Alright, got the thing off. Alright. Alrighty. See what this is, y'all. Man. I think this is pear. These are pear preserves. Let me get a fork here and taste it. Taste what they are here. I don't want to use them all. It's a peach, y'all. These are definitely peach preserves. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna kind of chop them up in here. And we're gonna make some hand pies with this. These little peach preserves. And I got some pear preserves over there too. I got some of them labeled, but I saw this one unlabeled. I say, well, maybe this is a pear preserve too. So I'm just trying to kind of chop them up, y'all, so when I put them in the crust there, this is a little impromptu dessert, y'all, I'm making here. All right, I got these mini pie crusts, but I'm not gonna make mini pie crusts. I'm gonna make fried pies. That's what I'm doing, y'all. A little impromptu video here, whichever y'all can see. Let's see if I can make them out of these little. This is what I had in the freezer. So this is what I'm gonna use. Come on, that stuff. Ready? I know I'm gonna need a little flour on my board here. Get a little spoon here. Put a little flour on the board here. I'm gonna have to roll this out just a little. Okay, alrighty. Unroll this dough here. Alright, y'all. Now I'm gonna see something here. See, you got these little mini things, and I'm gonna see if I can make little mini pies and fry them. That's the object here. Okay. While I chop these up a little, put a little preserves in there, fold them over. Oh yeah, well yeah, I think this gonna work, y'all. I think this gonna work. Pinch them down with my fork. Give me a little hotel pan, a little sheet pan here. Hold it on, y'all. Y'all say, Jeffrey, you're not organized. I already know what I did wrong, y'all. Y'all catch that? Y'all didn't catch that, did you? Show y'all what I did wrong here. Okay, gonna take our dough there, set this little extra dough to the side. I didn't put my egg wash on there, y'all. I didn't put my egg wash on there so it won't come apart. I got my egg wash right here. I'm gonna brush it with a little egg wash there. Get right over there. Got another one here. Show y'all what I'm doing. I ain't gonna do them all on camera, y'all. Oh, these said good. These good preserves. I remember these. I cooked them down a lot where they like candy. That's exactly what I did to these. They cooked down so much they almost candied. Pear preserve. That's why I didn't really know what they was. I did them a different way. All right. Get my egg wash here. Egg wash in there, y'all. Put my filling right there in the middle. Fold it over. Push it, crimp it down with my fork. There we go. How about that, y'all? I'm gonna do one more, show y'all. And I'm gonna step off. We're gonna see how many I get here. I ain't gotta roll them out or nothing. It's a good thing about this. I ain't gotta roll them out or nothing. Alright. Little filling in there. These little one biters. Maybe 2 biters here. I know that's too much filling. Okay. Fold it over there. Crimp it down. Yeah, these little pre-made crusts is perfect. I don't have to cut them or nothing. So anyway, I'm gonna step off here and get the other ones all filled in, and we're gonna come back, get my grease heating up. We're gonna fry these bad boys. Old school hand pie, fried peach hand pies. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, I think I got maybe 3, 4, maybe 12, 14 or 16. I ain't even count them out of there. So anyway, we're gonna move over here to the hot grease. We're gonna fry them off. Hand pan. Fried hand pies, y'all. Put them in the oil here. Like Mama used to make, right? Just like Mama used to make. And you definitely want to make sure your oil is good and hot. If not, the grease gonna get soggy, and you're gonna have soggy pies. And not nice golden brown pies. Move them around there in the skillet. And sometimes my mom used to use biscuit dough for these also. Okay, see if this one ready to turn over yet. Not quite. I went on turn over, but you want a nice golden brown on them, y'all. Y'all already know. Make sure you don't put too many in a skillet at a time either. You can also bake these in the oven if you want to. But oh, ain't nothing better than that old school style. That grease, y'all, right? Old school style in the grease, y'all. Fork here. Burning. Alrighty. Here we go. The other side cooked really good. That's an easy, quick dessert, right? Easy, quick dessert. Got some old school preserves hanging around. That's all you do. Get you some dough. Like I said, I use this one. Let me show y'all which one I use again. The Pillsbury and the little mini pie crust, I make 14. I got about 16. I roll out 2 more extra dough out of the scraps. But yeah, it's already cut for you. I just take it, put it right on my rack here. I'll show you what else I'm gonna do here before they get cooled. I'm gonna take a little turbinado sugar. It's right here. I'll take a little of this here sugar here, cane sugar, and I'll sprinkle a little on top, y'all. Get the bad boy open. Just sprinkle a little on top while it's hot. I'll show y'all in just a second. He said, yeah, but we can't see what you're doing. One second here, y'all. Real second here. See that? Put a little sugar on top of that. Okay, let's get the other ones in here, y'all. I ain't even go to a commercial. I'm just gonna keep going. Didn't even go for a commercial. That's how easy and quick these are. Didn't even take a commercial break. There we go. Got them all in there. Now we're going to a commercial break. So anyway, y'all, I'm going to get these fried off. We'll come back here. See how pretty these are? See that? That little turbinate sugar on there. That's how it goes. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. What we got here, y'all? Look at this. See that? Fried hand pies. Peach. Like I say, that's the easiest way to do it. Get you some homemade, not homemade, some pre-made store-bought dough. Get you some preserves. You can use peach, raspberry, strawberry, pear, any preserve, pineapple. Put in there 3 ingredients, y'all. Eggs, the preserves, and the dough. Really 2 ingredients. But you need the egg for the, you can actually use water to crunch them together and make sure they don't come open when you fry them. Or you can use milk. But just 2 ingredients. Get you some preserves, kind of mash them up, and get you some pie dough. Put a little sugar in there for garnish. Look at this, y'all. Look at that. Look at this. It's going in. It's hot. Look at that. I feel it. It's definitely hot, y'all. So good. Yeah. Some nice homemade preserves in there. See that? That's a quick dessert. Make on a Friday night. You come home from work. School is back in from some people. You ain't got time. Kids come home. Want something sweet after dinner. Hey, I always keep some pre-rolled pie crust in my freezer. I always got preserves in my canning room. Hey, this is nothing for me, y'all. Absolute nothing to make. So anyway, I want to share a little quick video with y'all. So anyway, let me close this video out. Friday night pie of the week. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023, just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will see y'all in the next video. Go Cowboys. Love y'all. Bye.